Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So one of the questions that recently came to us is a client writes in and says, my mechanic told me that I would destroy my car if I put used tires on it. So I've got a couple of questions about that. So question number one I'm wanting to ask is your car front wheel drive, rear wheel drive? Are you putting on the size of tire that the vehicle manufacturer requires on that vehicle? Because, like, for instance, this is a front wheel drive vehicle. This is a little Chrysler van. It's a front wheel drive, meaning the power to move the vehicle is delivered through the front wheels and tires. So if I've got one that's this tall on the other side and then I got this one on this side, those tires are constantly going to be fighting against each other because they're spinning at different speeds. So on this vehicle, it would be super critical that the front tires be the exact same size, especially in diameter, so that both wheels are spinning at the same time. If you was to mismatch the diameter and put a smaller tire on, then obviously one's going to turn faster than the other. That's going to create all kinds of problems within the powertrain system, creating inordinate strain and excessive stress, and in some cases catastrophic failure. So that would be one reason why that someone might say that. We had a vehicle coming here about a week ago. A guy had a great big huge tires on it, like 20-inch tires with the wheels, the super low profile tires. It was not factory wheels on this rig. Might have been 24 inches, but nonetheless, the guy had a blowout on his passenger rear tire, and it literally just caved in and destroyed his whole rear fender during the blowout. So some tires, when they go to come apart, it's very dangerous. If it happens going down the highway, you lose control of the vehicle, or can lose control of the vehicle. And secondly, as that rubber's coming undone from the tire, it does have the potential to damage the vehicle. So it's of utmost importance, especially as we're fixing to come into warmer months, that your tires are in great shape, that they don't have excessive weather cracks, that they're not super old, that they got good tread life, that they got the proper air pressure. That way you don't deal with an unexpected emergency going down the road, especially with a blowout or something like that. So it'd be a horrible thing to have a blowout while you're going down the road and lose control of the vehicle and have a wreck. Don't want that to happen. So in my shop, we generally only sell new tires. My feeling is when somebody calls me and asks, do I have used tires? I feel like that they already have a set of used tires. They're probably needing to get some new tires, so they won't have used tires anymore. So we generally offer new tires. The other thing is my insurance company will ask me questions like, how many used tires do you sell? It's a thing to them. They care very, very, very much about how many tires we sell and what kind of tires we're selling, because they know that they're accepting the risk if I'm selling used tires, or if we're selling tires that are low quality, low grade tires. So hope that helps, but it's very important, just run the right size. Sometimes you can go narrower or wider and be okay on certain vehicles. Some vehicles you can't, but the diameter, especially on the drive wheels, is super important for that to be exactly the same. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.